Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to adjust our clock on our 2008 Mercedes E350. First thing you want to do is put the key in the ignition and just turn it to run mode or one position over. Next thing you want to do, use these two buttons here to make sure it's in the settings mode here. So just go over like this. Till you see that it's in settings right there. Next thing you want to do, press this up arrow right here, and then it takes you to the settings instrument right here. Right there, you got instrument cluster, date and time, and lighting. And what you want to do, if yours is set on the instrument cluster, just go ahead and use these arrows right here. You're going to want to move down. As you can see, it moves it like that. So you just want to move down to date and time. Once you got that, use the up arrow again. And then it says time synchronized with head unit. I just keep it on off so I can do it manually. So then what you want to do is hit the up arrow again. And now you got time, your hours right here. And so we're going to change that to 12:15. So we're going to go up one, just like that. Now it's at 12:16 now. And now it says press R to confirm, which is this button right here. So we're going to press that. And now it's going to change the clock. All right, looks like it's done. Now, just to get out of that setting, you just want to hit this button right here and turn your car off. And now you're done. Hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching. If it does, please sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.